Demond Wilson. Then and now. He is now 78 years old. Loretta Sweet. Then and now. She is now 76 years old. Hal Linden. Then and now. He is now 93 years old. Faye Dunaway. Then and now. She is now 84 years old. Barbara Feldon. Then and now. She is now 92 years old. Stephanie Powers. Then and now. She is now 82 years old. Colin Camp. Then and now. She is now 71 years old. Sybil Stifford. Then and now. She is now 75 years old. Richard Klein. Then and now. He is now 81 years old. Lenda George. Then and now. She is now 80 years old. Julie Newmar. Then and now. She is now 91 years old. Axl Rose. Then and now. He is now 63 years old. Susie Quattro. Then and now. She is now 75 years old. Cynthia Rhodes. Then and now. She is now 68 years old. Barbara Bach. Then and now. She is now 77 years old. Audrey Landers. Then and now. She is now 68 years old. Mackenzie Phillips. Then and now. She is now 65 years old. Jennifer O'Neill. Then and now. She is now 77 years old. Ron Glass. Then and now. He is now 71 years old. Annie Forts. Then and now. She is now 72 years old. Sean Penn. Then and now. He is now 64 years old. Bette Midler. Then and now. She is now 79 years old. Deborah Wankenbrough. Then and now. She is now 72 years old. Gregory Harrison. Then and now. He is now 77 years old. Sharu. Then and now. She is now 74 years old. Dio Wells. Then and now. She is now 76 years old. Britt Eklund. Then and now. She is now 82 years old. John Davidson. Then and now. He is now 83 years old. Linda Blair. Then and now. She is now 66 years old. Larry Menti. Then and now. He is now 77 years old. Barbie Benton. Then and now. He is now 75 years old. Clarence Williams. Then and now. He is now 81 years old. Amy Irving. Then and now. She is now 72 years old. Richard Grieco. Then and now. He is now 60 years old. Derek Benedict. Then and now. He is now 80 years old. Randy Okas. Then and now. She is now 74 years old. Danny Bendews. Then and now. He is now 65 years old. William Scott. Then and now. He is now 74 years old. Susan Day. Then and now. She is now 72 years old. David Hasselhoff. Then and now. He is now 73 years old. Gregory Saira. Then and now. He is now 75 years old. Sam J. Jones. Then and now. He is now 71 years old. John Collins. Then and now. She is now 92 years old. Tom Wopat. Then and now. He is now 73 years old. Heather Thomas. Then and now. She is now 68 years old. Maud Adams. Then and now. She is now 80 years old. Douglas Barr. Then and now. He is now 76 years old. Barbara Saira. Then and now. She is now 79 years old. Terence Stamp. Then and now. He is now 87 years old. Zsa Gabor. Then and now. She is now 99 years old. Linda Hamilton. Then and now. She is now 69 years old. Mary Crosby. Then and now. She is now 65 years old. Ronnie Cox. Then and now. He is now 86 years old.